Shott with me.
It's recording?
Listen, nigga.
I can't hear myself.
We ain't never been no bitch, nigga. Maintain it. Nigga brought it in the truck. Nigga helped to pick it up. I'm Houdini with the packs. Turn them bells in the dust. Break it down and back it up. Cell phone acting up. Money counter acting up. That mean that paper stacking up. Going broke, I never think about it. It's a million ways to get $1. I just met a Puerto Rican bitch. Trying to see what I can get about her. Trying to talk some business with her father. Make some money plays with a cousin. Get some gang ties with a brother. Trying to get some game about a mother. Transporting like a Uber driver. Got my diamonds with the scuba divers. I got work like I'm a supervisor. Bitches working, I can utilize them. Say you got a nigga, use a liar. You can go and check my resume. I was trying to get them every day. Me and Shott was getting every play. From a feather to a heavyweight. Ever since I went and crossed the border. Ever since I met a bitch in Florida. Ever since I brought her back to Georgia. Now a nigga got his cake in order. I got wings, come and place your order. Niggas hating cause they paper shorter. Or they hating cause they can't afford her.
Migo brought it in on the dump truck. OG Kush that we smoking got us dumb stuck. I sold it super fast like it was dumb luck.
Playing with that money, get you fucked up.
Migo brought it in the dump truck. I sold it super fast like it was dumb luck. OG Kush that we smoking got us dumb stuck.
Playing with that money, get you fucked up.
Migo say the dump truck loaded. Gave me a week and I make the block explode it. A1 got my trap phone rolling. Stick holding spoon, ate it just like Kobe. World about to know me. This list say you owe me. And if you don't pay me, I'ma have to send a homie. I'm watching off of flossing 9 niggas, I ain't on it. I'm trying to sell these 9 ways and crush out my opponent. I'ma just be honest, you cross the mall, get punished. We roll into your whip and we serve you just like Sunny. My gas always be punching, my brand new whip I'm punching. And when we mask up, it don't got shit to do with punkin'. I got them 3 for 1s, we got all the fucking junkies. Them voters, they be chunky, them voters, they be chunky. I got them 3 for 1s and we got all the junkies. Them voters, they be chunky, them voters, they be chunky. Migo brought it in on the dump truck. OG Kush that we smoking got us dumb stuck. I sold it super fast like it was dumb luck.
Playing with that money, get you fucked up.
Migo brought it in the dump truck. I